Welcome back. This option will be available for users who have upgraded to the Pro level. To submit your search feed to Roku, you're going to need a couple of assets. You'll need your Roku search feed URL, which you can find easily in your Channel Settings Pro VIP tab. You'll also need two images. The provider list logo is 143 by 113 pixels in PNG format with rounded corners. The teaser logo is 165 by 60 pixels in PNG format with square corners. You can submit a search feed only for a published live channel. If your channel isn't published yet, you cannot use this option. To submit your search feed, first log into your Roku developer account and access your dashboard. In the side navigation on the left, click Search Feeds. On this page, you can see and manage all of your search feeds. To submit a new search feed, click the New Search Feed button. From the drop-down menu, choose the channel, add your feed URL, upload the images, and then add an email address Roku will use to communicate with you for this particular submission and deliver the validation results. When finished, click Submit. After the feed is validated, Roku will set up a beta channel for your feed. It will have your channel name and Search Beta in the name. You must install this beta channel and wait 24 to 48 hours. After the waiting period, you'll need to perform some searches on your television using video titles from your channel as search terms. For every media type, you should perform 2 to 4 searches. If the setup is correct, the search results on your TV will lead to the beta channel and the content will be launched correctly. If not, you will need to review your setup. When everything works as expected, you need to contact Roku Partner Support and let them know your channel and the search queries you used. You will be required to provide a recording showing the searches you made on your TV. If everything works the same way, when they perform the searches, the search feed will be published and your content will show up in the search queries. If you encounter any issues, just hit up the live support and we will work to address them. This concludes this video. See you in the next one.